So time to move out. After staying in this beautiful place, I'm all locked and ready. Some trouble with the bike. So the bike won't start. I spoke to RE service center nearby, which is around 56 kilometers from here. So the manager here is very, very helpful. Plus the locals as well. They helped me a lot. Stood by my side completely. It's been almost 4.5 hours right now. And अभी एक room का जुगाड़ करना है. So people are helping me out with that. Famstel is completely booked today. There is no vacant rooms. So, but they are trying their best to get me a place to stay. RSA guys called me. They have booked service request. Tomorrow 10:30 they are going to come. Today it is possible for them to come, but वो 6 बजे का पहले आ नहीं पाएगा शाम को. And जो इधर टॉर्क मोटर्स है, which is at Hunnavar Road, somewhere close on the way to Udupi. It is only open till 6:30 PM today. So 6 बजे आके बाइक टो भी किया. जाते जाते 1-1.5 घंटा लग जाएगा, तो वो जाके मतलब नहीं होगा. So I've already parked the bike inside in a shed at Famstel only. And देखते हैं आगे. This guy came with his scooty and told me कि मैं आपके साथ आपका लगेज भी लेके जाऊँगा जैसे ही रूम अरेंज हो जाता है. Very helpful. I really thank him for whatever he is doing, and his team as well here at Famstel. Excellent people. I really appreciate their help. They are going out of the way and doing it. कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है उनका करने के लिए. So many guests are going to come today. They are very busy with their own jobs, but still they are pulling out time from their busy schedule and helping me out. And the best thing that happened was कि बाइक का ये प्रॉब्लम Famstel में हुआ है. So I was not out of food or water or anything for that, say any help. There were a lot of people around me, a lot of people helping me out, a lot of people trying to call mechanics. ये बंदे ने, ये मैनेजर ने लोकल मैकेनिक को बुलाया था. He tried his best. He has put in a lot of effort. बट वो नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. इट्स वो नहीं हुआ. आज किस्मत में लिखा था इधर ही रुकना, गोकर्णा में. बट आई एम श्योर ये जो हादसा हुआ है, इट हैज़ हैपेंड फॉर समथिंग गुड, टू अवॉइड समथिंग मेजर. आई डोंट नो. बेस्ट पार्ट, लाइक आई सेड, Famstel में ही हुआ. सो आई एम लिटरली आउट ऑफ नथिंग. आई हैव एवरीथिंग दैट इज़ नीडेड. So almost an hour. Room manage हो ही रहा है. I think हो जाएगा. He has got a contact. It is around 1.5 kilometers from here on the beach. The good part which I am thinking about every time when I am thinking about this incident, कि ये कोई हाईवे पे नहीं हुआ. ये हाईवे पे होता था तो problems would have been different. First, the heat. बहुत गर्मी है. हाईवे पे कहाँ पे शेड मिलता था, क्या होता था, भगवान ही जाने. ऐसा जगह हो सकता था जहाँ पे कोई लोकल शॉप्स ना हो, लोकल हेल्प ना हो. बट थैंकफुली अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम थैंकिंग माई luck, it happened at Famstel. So all help was there for me.